What's up, Blooms? In today's video, I'm sharing my DIY recipe for a herbal fenugreek leave-in that will soothe and condition hair and scalp. To start off, I'm using 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek is packed with iron and protein, which are essential nutrients for hair growth. Next, I'm adding 2 cups of boiling hot water in order to help the fenugreek seeds plump up and absorb. After adding the fenugreek seeds and water, you can feel free to stop here for option 1, but if you're looking to add additional benefits to your DIY, try option 2, which features herbal ingredients. For this step, you will need fenugreek seeds, horsetail, and lavender flowers. Horsetail is one of my favorite herbs and is high in silica that helps to strengthen your hair follicles. Lavender helps to condition hair, boost shine, and control frizz. After combining all of the ingredients, gently stir and let sit for about an hour, or feel free to let it sit overnight, but be sure to let the mixture cool down completely before storing it in the fridge in an airtight container. An hour later, this is what our mixture is looking like. You can see that the fenugreek seeds have doubled in size and the color of the water has changed, which means that the ingredients have been well infused. Now place the mixture in a high-speed blender and blend until smooth. This part is completely optional, but I added a generous amount of organic Jamaican black castor oil with no salt added off camera for additional slip and benefits. Jamaican black castor oil has a rich and smoky scent and thick consistency. I've used this oil in my shea butter recipe. I'll link the video here if you're interested in checking it out. And after mixing everything in a blender, I'm using a clean wig cap to strain, but you can also use a cheesecloth for this part. Just be very careful with this step, and depending on your blender, you may have to repeat this step until everything comes out smooth and the herbs are left out. Now I'm just gently squeezing the cap in order to get all of this yumminess out. Y'all, look at that consistency. It has slip, it's not too thick, and it's all made with natural ingredients. In terms of storage, if you're planning to use this in 1 or 2 applications, you can store the mixture in the fridge in an airtight container for a week. But if you'd like for it to last longer, you can add a natural, water-soluble, paraben and formaldehyde-free preservative like Optiphen Plus in order to protect the mixture against bacteria, yeast, and mold growth. I added about 0.5 ounces of Optiphen, and remember to add a preservative to your water-based DIYs, especially if you want them to last more than a week outside of refrigeration. Now that everything is all set, feel free to store the leave-in in a container similar to this one, or for better application, use an applicator bottle instead. Before using the leave-in, I'm making a rosemary and aloe vera refresher spray using organic rosemary. Rosemary helps to relieve irritated scalp. It also stimulates and improves scalp circulation. Next, I'm adding in about 2 cups of distilled water to a pot and bringing it to a boil. I left the rosemary to infuse for about 25 minutes, but feel free to adjust the time to your liking. After 25 minutes, this is what the rosemary tea is looking like. Y'all, this rosemary tea smells so good. You could use this rosemary tea by itself and it would be beneficial to your scalp and hair, and it also has a great scent on its own. After straining the rosemary tea, I'm saving some aside in a mason jar to freeze and use another time. Now I'm taking my organic aloe vera juice from Trader Joe's and adding about a cup of it to my rosemary tea, then transferring everything into a spray bottle. My refresher spray is all done, so now it's time to show you how I use the Herbal Fenugreek Leave-In to refresh a protective style. The braids are a few weeks old and I'm generously moisturizing them with the rosemary and aloe spray, focusing on my scalp and the length of the braids. You don't want to forget about the rest of your hair while it's in a protective style. I'm using the leave-in directly on my scalp and massaging it between my braids. I've showed y'all in another video how I use this product, but let me know if you would also like to see me use this Herbal Fenugreek Leave-In on my hair to prepoo or to style. Leave a comment down below. But this feels so good on my hair, y'all. It's light, moisturizing, and I feel good knowing exactly what's in here and that my scalp and hair will benefit from it. Let me know if you'd give this recipe a try and what else would you add to it? Alright y'all, so I am all done refreshing my knotless braids. I used my aloe and rosemary hair tea. So I also went in with this serum right here. I don't know what to call this yet. I'm still playing around with the name. But for now, I think I want to call this my Fenugreek Refresher Serum. I don't know. But y'all, I've been trying this out for a few weeks now and I really like it. I like the consistency of it. I like the ingredients that I use in here, and my scalp has been looking and feeling good since I've used this. I want to try using this in different ways, adding it to my deep conditioner and pre-pooing possibly. But yeah, I've been trying this product out for a few weeks and I really do like it. And when it comes to the refresher spray, I tend to use this every day on my hair and on my scalp, especially when I try to just keep everything fresh. I've had my braids for over 2 weeks now and they still look really good because of the way I've been maintaining my braids with my scarf and bonnet at night, and also the way I've been refreshing my hair with these products right here. But yeah, y'all, I keep it very simple when I have protective styles like this because I don't want to do a lot of manipulating or a lot of messing around with the braids. I just want to let them do their own thing. But yeah, I just wanted to come on and show y'all how I refresh my knotless braids, and I've been doing to maintain them so that they look nice. I'm not sure how long I'll keep these in, maybe for another week or so. It's been nice having a break from doing my natural hair, and yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how I've been taking care of these braids. Let me know your thoughts on the refresher spray that I made and also this new Fenugreek refresher serum that I'm playing around with. But yeah, that's it for today's video, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you next time.